Hello all you beautiful, fantastic, wonderful, caring, awesome people. I hope you're having a really fantastic day. I'm having a great day. Just got my package from EveryDayEdeals and I am looking forward to unboxing it with all of you. So let's get into this. I am just going to get right into it. Zip this thing open so that we can look at what I got. And I'm going to actually do the biggest one first. This is called, I'm just going to stick the bag over here so that it's not like constantly crinkling. But this, you guys, is a 30-page diamond painting storage presentation book. And the cost on this is going to all be in USD. It was $17.99 USD, and it holds 30 by 40 centimeter diamond painting pictures. I don't know why that was such a mouthful, but okay, I just zipped that open. I'm not going to actually take it out of the packaging. I am just going to, well, maybe I do need to take it out. Let's just open this baby and pull it right out. Sorry for the crinkling. Let's just get into it as quickly as we can, which usually means not so quickly, clearly. Let me just get it out of the packaging and I'll be right back. Okay, that was a workout. Holy smokes, they had it in there good. Okay, so it has 30 pages and essentially it will hold, or basically it will hold 30 by 40 sized diamond paintings. And I love it. It's clear. You probably, I don't know how heavy this would get, but you probably could put one painting facing like up and then one facing this way. I don't, like I said, I don't know how heavy the book would end up getting if you did 30 pages like that. That would be like 60 diamond paintings in total. Another thing that I have seen some people do is put some sort of dark, thicker, like maybe poster board or something, and then have their paintings on top of that. And I've always thought people who had the portfolios, the paintings look really nice in them. And so when I saw they had this on their site, I was really looking forward to giving it a try. So, and also too, you can take this card out and then write on it whatever you want to. So very, very nice. Thank you, EveryDayEdeals, for sending this to me. That was so, so nice. And just perfect. Something I've been looking for a while. So, and I know I could find them and I just haven't pulled the gun on any of them. And I'm so glad that I didn't, because I really like the blue cover on this as well. So, okay. I'm going to put that off to the side. All right, next item. I'm just grabbing in the bag and pulling out something. I don't know which one this is. So let us look at this one. And so these next two are diamond paintings or special drill. Let's see what this one is. To the side. Okay, I know which one this one is. So this one is the Crystal Rhinestone Giraffe painting. I'm just going to actually do this one backwards here. So it is poured glue, which I appreciate. And let's get out my, oh goodness, I'm just knocking stuff over all the time, aren't I? Okay, I'm just going to do a quick measurement. They said this is a 30 by 40. Actually, it says 30 by 40 kind of right here. It does look like it's the bubble style, and that's what drew me to it, because I really liked the last one I did and wanted to try another one. Let's just see the dimensions to see if they're true to size. So this is 24 inches wide by 33.5 inches long. So a little bit under the measurements, and I find that quite often happens. If you're ordering from a budget site, a lot of times the dimensions aren't true to what the size that they say it is. I've never had a problem with it though. I don't mind. The canvas is the more stiff canvas, just to let you know, so you will need to lay it flat for a minute to let it straighten out. Let's check the stickiness of it. Ooh, very sticky, so that's a good thing. And I'm not going to try and straighten it out right now so that we can just take a look at it. So it has 16 colors. These are the drills, and then it comes with a basic kit. So a square of wax, the green boat, and a pink pen. These look interesting, so we will take a look at these. Let's just do that now, and then we'll look at the canvas itself. I thought these giraffes looked so funky, and I love that they're each wearing sunglasses. So I think that'll look really kind of cute. All right, let's take a quick look at these. So they have some gold teardrops, and then some smaller sort of multicolored ones. And then these little soft blue, well actually these ones look more like teardrops. These look more like sort of oval, pointed ovals. Some red teardrops, some lime green crystals. I like me a good lime green. And then also some kind of clear crystals. Silver maybe, gold, purple, really pretty kind of blue, the pink, red. Ooh, these are almost like a black, but in a crystal form, so they're kind of interesting looking to me. And then also some black drills. And then the next package, there seems to be quite a few of these. Let's just see. These are all 14s right here, so just kind of like little white round drills. And then a little bit bigger. I always laugh when I see these because it's like little, like the, you know, baby bear, mama bear, and then papa bear. So these ones are a little bit bigger, and there's 2 packages of those, and then one of the bigger ones, which I think that's how you get the effect of the bubble, is having the 3 different sizes of the same drill. So those are the drills. So not a huge amount, 16 like I said. And now I'm just going to pull this up to you. Let's see if I can get the light up here a little bit more so that it doesn't go totally dark. But it's kind of got a swirly background with the different size drills in it. The drill field looks really, really good. So, I mean, there's definitely no, it doesn't seem like there's any blurring. It's going to be an easy one to do, and it's going to look quite cute when it's done. So I think this one is really adorable, actually. That's awesome. Again, thank you to Everyday Deals for sharing that one with me and allowing me to share it with all of you. And the last one, so not too long of an unboxing, just to give you guys a glimpse into what you can do on this budget site. Oh, and I will tell you, so I told you the book was $17.99. This giraffe was $6.99 USD, so really reasonably priced on that as well, and fun. And then this last one, sorry guys, just trying to get myself organized here. Let's get this out, put the bag off to the side here, and I'm just going to roll this backwards as I undo it. I think this one has a bit of a bubble look to it too. If what I'm not, I actually really like this style. I unboxed quite a few from different companies. And this is the one that you do. It kind of looks very layered. This one is a crystal rhinestone tree, and the cost on this was $4.99 USD. It's a 30 by 30, so let's quickly measure that. Again, just to give you the correct dimensions. So this one is just under 24. I'm trying to lay this flat so I can get, well, actually about 24. Yeah, that's 24 by 24. Just slightly bigger than 24. So about 6 inches on each side. And then again, oh, I guess I should put away that kit because that kit was from the other one. But this kit has tweezers in it. It has the pink pen, the square plate of wax, and the green boat. So again, a very basic kit, but enough to get you going on this and be able to do it. So this one is really pretty. So I like trees, and I like sort of these layered designs. I think they're just really pretty. And I do see some in here that are bigger, so I think there will be a bit of a bubble effect in this one as well. Which those paintings really, I think, are so beautiful when they're done. I was a little late to the party when it came to bubble paintings, but I've done one, and I think they're so neat looking. So let's take a quick look at these ones. This one looks like it's going to be all crystals. So there is another lime green. Let's see if I can do that one. A little bit of a darker lime green. And then again, kind of the silver clear crystals. And these ones are a little bit larger. Are they a little bit larger? Actually, no, those are the same size. Yellow. Another kind of teal blue, soft blue. A darker blue. Those will look nice if they're together. Kind of I would say like an orangey color. Those ones are definitely larger. And then tiny red ones, tiny green ones, dark blue, silver crystal again, and then that teal in the smaller, and then a darker teal. That's actually a really pretty color. And then smaller lime green and smaller gold. So I definitely think you're going to get a bit of the bubble effect on here. Maybe not as pronounced as the giraffes or that other painting that I did, but you're definitely going to see some of that. So taking a look at the field, let's just check the stickiness first. Again, very good stickiness. This also is the same type of canvas as the giraffe, so you will need to lay it flat for a little bit. Another trick, maybe just do that, and then sometimes they'll lay a lot flatter like that. It just seemed to straighten it out a bit. But I just really like that in front of a lake. You've got a bit of the reflection of the whatever that's supposed to be. I don't know the color. That is the silver crystal, so maybe it's a moon. And we'll just look at the field. The field looks a little busy, if I'm being honest. If you come right up here, you can see that they do the coloring behind the numbers, and sometimes that can make it look a little chaotic. And of course, they're not laying in rows like they would on a regular diamond painting, so it's a bit more sporadic on the thing. I don't think there would be any problem doing this at all. I do like that they have a nice thumbnail there, and it has the 14 colors. I don't know if I said that already. And if I didn't, this one is only $4.99 USD. So really, really budget friendly so far as pricing is concerned. And this is it's a budget friendly site. You do have to go through, if you are being mindful about copyrighted pictures. I did see some, if I'm being honest, there were some there. But again, there were pictures like this that would be more like stock images. Let me just pull back out the other one. So overall, really, really happy with this haul from EveryDayEdeals, and I'm just so thankful that they contacted me and asked me to show you these. Again, when I'm looking at these, I think these are going to be fun to do. This one is still going to be easy, even though, like I said, it is a little bit more chaotic in throughout here. I'm still able to see all of the numbers. I'm quite confident that this one will be good. The stick factor is all good on them. This one just is a lot of fun, and this book is where I can store them. So I'm really happy with all of this. You guys, thank you for checking it out with me. I am going to leave the links to these products as well as their website down in the description, so please go give them a check if you would like to see some really cute paintings. They have a huge variety available, so there's going to be something for everybody. I feel confident in saying that to you. So it took me a long time to go through the list and just find or to narrow it down to ones that I thought would be fun to unbox on the channel. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribing to the channel. That would be fantastic. I'm not too getting closer and closer to the 1500 mark. Once I hit 1500, I am doing a giveaway, and I will announce what the giveaway is going to be when we hit 1500. So if you can give me a helping hand, that would be fantastic. And I hope you guys are enjoying your week. I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye!